Hello everyone, this is Rohit Suriseti, a third year undergraduate student at the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering at IIT Kharagpur. And today I'll be sharing my review of the alma maters inside the IIT Dream and also justify the realities that are shown in the series that's released on Netflix today. So the alma maters inside the IIT Dream was divided into three episodes, namely first episode being the independent variables, and it also subcategorized as various chapters, which I'll be sharing my review on. So the series started with a quote that every year millions of people aspire to get into IIT, but very few get into IIT. So yeah, many I was of one of the million people who aspired, and luckily I got through into the IIT Kharagpur. And after getting into IIT Kharagpur, most of the students expect a grand entrance or a grand entrance gate, right? So even that reality, a bit of dissatisfaction, I would say, that was also shown in the episode one starting, where a person will be talking about his disappointment after seeing the grand entrance gate, which was very small. And also during the first few minutes of the series, it was told that most of the people, including me, I heard about the place Kharagpur as India's longest platform. So I say chala laga. So I got to know about the place for the first time when I was in like maybe 10th or 11th class, maybe of because of the general knowledge that India's longest platform was in Kharagpur. It had people used to say like 1 kilometer ka hota hai platform and all. And after that, I got to know that something called IIT exists in Kharagpur in my intermediate, and then I got into IIT Kharagpur. So also in the first episode, IIT Kharagpur was compared with an island, as it's a confined place where everything is under confined because we don't have much interaction with the environment outside the campus. Because mainly because being a remote area or a village, I would say, so it's confined, and most of us make best of the environment and the resources which are available in the campus itself. So I would agree on that comparison of IIT Kharagpur with the island, because we have very limited environment that is of 2,100 acres, and the people around in the campus. We don't have much interactions with the environment outside the campus, being a remote area. And then the episode one was categorized into few chapters. The chapter one was named randomized process. So what was this randomized process is basically talks about how the CGPA of the different people get. And also it was mentioned that we all know of Biswa Kalyan Rath, who is a famous Indian stand-up comedian. He also revealed that after the end of first year, his CGPA was 7.01. So that was revealed during this episode by Biswa Kalyan Rath himself. And the second episode being the Astray. Personally found this particular chapter to be very related, because this chapter mainly talks of the classrooms, the environment the classrooms have in the IIT Kharagpur system. Because, for example, let's say a department like mine, metallurgy, we have 60 or 70 people in our department, and we have one professor who is teaching for any particular course, I would say. And it's absolutely, and it's very difficult for the professor to keep a monitor on every one student. So obviously they'd be keeping an eye on the first benches or the class toppers, I would say. So what happens is the other people gets astray, so they get lost in their own world. Many of us play PUBG in the last benches or watch series or games. Many of my friends binge watched many series, I would say. I won't reveal their names, but many of my friends did that. They watched Breaking Bad, GOT, when I was in second year. So that was the chapter Astray that was discussed, and also it was discussed in the sneak peek of the alma maters, I would say, that Chagi hote six pointer. We have something called lingo, KGP ka lingo. So we have a few words which we commonly use in our KGP culture, and one was Chagi, which was originally designated to the six pointers, but it's not six pointers. It's about a lifestyle of people, as mentioned in the alma maters episode one. And Sati hote hai average, and Ati respectful, and Neli hote hai Whereas, like, I don't like Nelly people. That's what Biswa Kalyan Rath says. So then the chapter 3 was about the identity. Identity, it all speaks about the hall culture and all the competitions we have. And I feel IIT Kharagpur is a very competitive place where people and the everything is like a very healthy competition. We have around 21 hall of residences, in which I think few are girls halls of residences and rest of are for boys. And every year we have something called general championship, where all the halls compete in various aspects like dramatics, dance, singing, music, everything. And to win the general championship title, and the competition goes hand in hand with different halls. And I fondly remember in my second year when one of our GSEC, we all had a meeting in our common room, and he was saying that हमारा general championship तो is a very prestigious thing, and at any cost you guys should make possible that we win that general championship again back. So that was the kind of it was more like a prestige issue, and we all take it very seriously and participate enthusiastically in all the competitions, be it dramatics, dance, and give our best. So one cool part of thing is about this chapter, identity, speaks all about the extracurricular activities that are present in IIT Kharagpur. Because many people who are not into IITs, they think IITs are all about studies. But it's not about all about studies. Along with studies, there will be many extracurricular activities as well as sports, games, and everything whatnot. And then comes the final chapter of the episode 1, that is called 1:9. Yes, the ratio itself says that it's something a ratio. So yes, most of you people might have guessed by hearing the word that is 1:9 itself that it is the ratio of male is to woman. So IIT Kharagpur, not just IIT Kharagpur, I would say all the IITs are mostly like male dominated. But in the recent times, the women number has gone up due to special quota was introduced, and seats for women are being increased, and there's a special quota for women as well. So it's good to see more and more women are also being got into IIT Kharagpur. Now I would say 1:5 or something like that ratio. But when I was in first year, it was like 1:9 or something. Yeah. So in the chapter 4, it was talked about the elections, the Gymkhana elections. Gymkhana is a functioning body of the students of IIT Kharagpur. So uh, it was discussed that the different governing body has different roles, different sectors. That is VP hota hai, vice president, and then comes the general secretary, and then comes the secretary. So also SOP hota hai, that is statement of purpose. Every candidate has to say like to why I am contesting, and why you people should vote for me or something. And it was also stated that till now no woman has ever contested for the post of vice president. And it's yeah, it's quite shocking that no woman has taken that daring step. And I personally wish someone in my batch or my juniors would take that seriously and participate or at least contest in the elections. Yeah, it's all about a healthy environment. If you lose or win, no one is going to say you anything. So it's all healthy competition. When I was in second year, even I thought of competing as maybe general secretary or the vice president of IIT Kharagpur. Now I shouldn't be revealing this, but I revealed. So it's okay. But due to this lockdown and online semester, everything got shattered, and it's been almost 1 year since we are having these online classes, and there's no scope of there is no chance of holding the elections or something. So all our dreams got shattered, I would say. And then comes the episode 2, that is Escape Velocity, which all discuss about the placements and the myths of versus reality of placements. Personally, I can't justify whether the reality was shown was accurate or not, because I'm still in the third year and I'm yet to experience the placements. But as per my knowledge and what my seniors told me when I was in second year or first year, seems the reality is very well shown in the second episode. It was shown of the placements, how people prepare the CV and then give mock test and then prepare for group discussions and then prepare for interviews. People give interviews, they get rejected, few get selected, everything. The reality was shown in 40 minutes, which I really liked the episode 2. But ours being online, even our internship process and now the placement process was going on in the online mode. So I would say many people got disadvantages because of this online mode, and few people took advantage of the this online mode. So it's a two-way process, but I definitely missed my internship process in the offline mode, where people would go early morning for the interviews, and होता है ना, like nervousness, exam देना. And also in the first episode it was mentioned that, as I mentioned also, that it's a competitive environment where people study एक बंदे को देख के the other person also starts to study, and even we like friends help out each other. And even in my first year, many people helped me out in my academics. I would mention few names. Sorry if I don't mention all of the names. I would mention my friends Aravind, his roommate Sagnik, and then Uday, and my dear friend Aditya Kela. And these are my friends who help me out in academics. We used to share our information and our knowledge on various subjects, and they really helped me out. And even we used to discuss on many subjects. And those were all the things we missed during the time of placements or internships being online. So yeah, and another reality is that was shown in the episode 2 was that the data field, data. Yes, the data science field is the most preferred by the students because it's obviously because of the reason that it's the most highly paid reason. And most of the companies prefer data, and because very few core companies are coming now, mainly because even if the core companies are coming and recruiting people, students are joining and work for around 1 or 2 years, and they go abroad for higher studies or something, or shift to corporate other in sectors. So also the core companies have stopped coming, and now like 80 to 90%, I would say, all are coding and data fields only. So I would say data, and because of high payment. And it was also rightly mentioned that right mindset is very crucial and very important than the knowledge acquired during the interviews or the placement. So I agree on this to a large extent, that more than knowledge, what speaks is your communication skills, your confidence, and your right mindset at that right moment. So I agree to this statement as well. And one more secret which was mentioned in the episode 2 is about the dynamic adaptation. What is this dynamic adaptation? Many of you might think the dynamic adaptation is when you're giving an interview for some company during placement, you must be able to adapt to the face expressions of the interviewer. So if the face expression of the interviewer seems a bit dull or something, you should make up things which will make him feel like confident that yes, is banda mein kuch hai, he knows something related to this. And if he is like happy and confident, then no need to worry at all. So you can just go casually and talk about yourself and all. So I personally like this idea of dynamic adaptation, and it's I think very crucial for anyone during for anything, maybe for UPSC interviews or placements or internships or anything. A dynamic adaptation is the very key. Even if you go to some new place, we must be able to adapt very quickly, right? That is also a part of this dynamic adaptation. So then comes the last episode, episode 3, that is named as Young's Modulus. It all talks about a very rich culture and heritage of our IIT Kharagpur, that is the illumination. Many of the people who are not from IIT Kharagpur would be wondering what is this illumination and all. So let me clarify on that. Illumination is a way of celebrating Diwali without crackers. So we use all diyas, and we lit up all those diyas in the form of chatais, and we decorate. And there's holds a competition. Whoever does the best, more attractive way to the judges, they win the illumination illu competition. And it is also goes hand in hand, like always. Of course, I am from Rajendra Prasad Hall of Residence, and एक secret है कि most of the times RP wins. So RP. So yeah. So RP हर साल जीतता है, maybe due to the various factors. So I won't discuss or disclose them in this video. I'll make another video if required after my graduation, or not now. And then comes the Rangoli competition. Rangoli competition. When I first heard of this in my first year, I thought Rangoli, ye kya hai? I think this is something related to only girls, na? They do Rangoli and all. And then later I got to know that even boys also maybe jata hai Rangoli. And then I wondered and found out that Rangoli is a competition where people make huge portraits of with the colors and all. And you might have seen in the alma maters that the visuals of the Rangoli were fantastic and mind blowing. The Buddha concept which was shown in the alma maters. So every year, every hall puts in the best to showcase their talent and their some theme kind of thing in their Rangoli. And I think I personally like the concepts of and the heritage of and the culture of illumination and Rangoli. And at last comes the sad part of the entire series, which is very well shown. That is the sad reality, I would say. That is the number of suicides that's happening in IITs. Yes, it's true that many people, like every year, 4 or 5 people commit suicides. And the reasons are also being explained in Alma Mater, that is episode 3. One being the hopelessness, and that would be lagged behind of everyone because everything is a competition, right? And out of 1400 people, I would say not everyone gets placement. Some students even at IITs become unplaced, and that hopelessness what brings depression in many people, and that leads to the suicides. And the other one being the excessive competition. See, competition is healthy to some extent, but beyond that, it leads to depression or internal torture, and finally, it leads to suicides. And it happened in 2016 or 17, and there was an open house discussion held between the authorities and the students, where all the students gathered at the open auditorium, and there was a very discussion which you might have seen in the trailer as well. So I think many things like Your Dost is a platform which was set up to control this depression, and then counseling center was also established so that if any person needs counseling or is in help, they can contact the counseling center for any help. And few initiatives has been taken care, but as the reality says that the suicides have not gone to the level of zero, but it has come down. The percentage, the numbers have gone down, but still hope anything the authorities would do in further reducing the numbers. So these are the entire review and my insights of this alma maters inside the IT dream. Well, there are a few negative things also which I felt of this series after watching. A few things are wrongly depicted. I personally found I would be talking now, but before that, I'd be sharing a few things that after watching this, it was more what I missed more than what I enjoyed, because almost the second year and third year, which were the most crucial times of enjoyment or anything, like the placement वाला फंडा होते हैं और internships का phase होते हैं, we all missed that. So it was more like what I missed was shown than what I really enjoyed in the campus. So after watching that, I really felt sad that so many things I missed, and I hope personally hope that at least for my last year, that is final year, I'd be in the campus. Every one of us would be campus, hopefully by next year. And the last part which was shown was the cosplay event and the reunions, where people would come after 20 and 50 years. When I saw that, I was like thinking of I got into daydreams course and of sort of things, and I become emotional when I thought that I would be meeting my friends after 20 years or 50 years, and how things would be, how people would be, because the situation seems so that we might not even attend the college in our final year. And even for us, the online graduation ceremony might take place. So it's a bit sad. Almost tears came into my eyes after watching this, and I thought about this. Hopefully, we all meet at least for the cosplay thing or the graduation ceremony. Let's hope people we all meet. We all friends. I really miss them all during this 1 year which we all spent at home being online. So, what are the negatives that I felt after watching this series? Are the first thing that was wrongly depicted, I personally felt, was the cigars and the beer or consumption of alcohol. Not everyone, like personally, I would say, 90 to 95% of the people don't either smoke or drink alcohol. But sadly, in the episode number 2 and episode 1, the main characters which were shown in the series, most of them, all of them were shown holding a cigar in their hands or discussing about the beer or alcohol, which was wrongly depicted, I thought, because when you're trying to show some reality to the audience, right? I personally feel the reality must be depicted out, because it brings out a wrong impression on the people, like my parents or many parents of the students and aspiring JE aspirants and their parents, right? And for your information, even not only boys drinking or smoking was shown in the series, but even girls do smoke, which is a reality which is not shown. And even not everyone smokes and drinks. Even this reality is not shown. It was shown that, like, it feels that after seeing the entire series, not by me, if some person from not from IIT Kharagpur has seen this series, he or she might feel that "Arey, ye kya?" I think every must might hold a cigar and smoke a cigarette, because almost all the important crucial characters which were shown in the series hold a cigar at some point of the show, but which was very wrongly depicted. And I seriously felt a bit sad and disappointed of this fact. And the reality is not being showed only about this thing, that 90 to 95% of the people do not either smoke or drink alcohol. And even girls do smoke along with boys. And that's like, not only boys smoke a cigar, and girls are like very innocent or something like that. Even girls, I have seen many people, many girls do smoke, and many seniors, many men do smoke. So it was on both the sides, which was not shown. So at least through this video, I'm trying to share the reality. And this was the only bit I was very disappointed after seeing the series. And absolutely, it's a wonderful series to watch for all the IIT Kharagpur students, as well as the aspirants and our parents as well. So I hope all of you guys have watched it, and hope you guys too enjoyed it. So leave your review in the comments, and do share this video as well, the Netflix video, and do give the ratings for the alma maters inside the IT Dream on IMDb, guys. And thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, really do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. This is Rohit Surisetti signing off. Thank you.